Hey guys, welcome to my channel again, and today I'm on my just bike. As usual, I'll be practicing some simple tricks that you probably can learn at home or at your neighborhood in a park. Right. So today, sometimes when you cycle, you kind of encounter some obstacles along the way, and probably like fallen branches, some irregular footpath, or a step or a curb. You wish that you could actually ride over them or hop over them. So instead of stopping a bike and pushing a bike over obstacles like this, there's a little trick that you can learn from this video, that is to hop over them. So to hop over objects is really simple. So what I do here is in 2 steps. Right, the steps to get over objects is really simple. So in this video, what I did is I lift up the front wheels and followed by the rear wheel. So once you approach the object or the obstacles, lift up the front wheels just before you hit the edge of the obstacles, and while the bike is moving forward, and as the front wheels bends itself down, your wheels will be on top or over the object. As you roll along again, the rear wheel will approach the object or the obstacles, and you shift your body weight forward, and at the same time hook up on the pedals, and the rear wheel will kind of lift up. So yes, it takes a little bit of practice, and it's actually not that difficult. So as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of effort. It's just kind of so it's kind of trying to get all your muscle memories in a sequence, and you should be able to get it right after some practice. In the beginning, you should be able to get over some very shallow or small objects, but as you practice along, you should be able to progress, and hopefully enough, it will manage to get you over roadside curbs. Right guys, hope you guys enjoy these short videos and find it helpful, and if you think this is a great video, do remember to share with your friends and like this video, and just in case you have not done so, remember to subscribe to my channel. See you guys again, bye!